as always with life on the farm, something's happened as we're about to leave. Hello, happy drivers. Good morning. Say good morning. Oh, you're so good. Hi. Blaine is actually doing some home security stuff and we thought we'd share it with you because Swann has actually sponsored today's video and they've sent us
security system. It's wireless, it's color, and it's also got sound. It also does nighttime, so I can't wait to see what it looks like. So I'm going to screw them up and get the system running and show you guys what it looks like. I can't wait.
Yeah, so Blaine's really excited about that, but I'm actually dragging him away at the moment because we're going to head out and maybe try and find a little watering hole or something, something nice. It's a beautiful day, as you guys know. It's
hot again.
So hot, it's summer. So we're going to head off and see what we can find and then come back and you can play with your...
Yeah, I can't wait to play with my security system.
Okay.
Happy drivers, today I'm super excited because I got my security system. I can set my cameras up around the house and get on any device using the Swann app, which I've downloaded onto my phone. I can check out what's happening around the house from anywhere in the world. It's super easy, and trust me, I'm not very tech savvy, and I'm going to check it out and see how easy this is. Okay, so we've got two different boxes here. What I might do is open one at a time so I don't have too much stuff laying around. And another box. Okay, so this is where all the action comes from. The Swann video recorder. It's so cool. Amazing. Okay, so let's check what's in this box. So these are the antennas, and the antennas just screw onto the back here. Pretty straightforward. One antenna, two. Let's sit there for now. These are our HD cords, things like that. This comes with a mouse. I have my plugs, which check out. I'll open this other box and see what is inside. So this one will have the security cameras. Lots of these. Wow, look how long these cords are. They're definitely going to reach wherever I need them to go. So these are the fancy cameras, such a good quality. These are waterproof, colour, and also pick up sound. So I can put these anywhere outside and they can even go inside. So look at the quality of that. Swann definitely don't make cheap security cameras, that's a very good quality. I just got the two. That's all we need for here. Two security cameras. They come with screws to fix them, and in here the security cameras have little aerials as well. That. One. And two. Okay, so that's that. So it comes with instructions to help you set it up, which I will need. And I'm just going to have a quick look. And I'm just going to set it up and I'll show you guys how it all works. I finished installing the Swann security system, which I'm very happy with. It's actually quite easy. It's very daunting at first when you open the box and there's cables, and if you're like me, I'm not very good with cables and installing stuff like that. But once I read the instructions, downloaded the app on my phone, you literally put the monitor in, screw the two aerials on the back, there's a barcode on top, you scan it and it comes up on your phone and it links your app on your phone to the monitor and you're good to go. It's so easy. So I'll give you a look at the camera. Okay, I've headed back inside to show you guys the base station of this security system. I'll show you how it plugs in, how easy it is, and I'll give you a demonstration on my phone with how the cameras actually look, and we'll be able to see the kids outside, which is very handy to have. So here we go. So this is the security system. It comes with a mouse, so you can actually plug a HDMI cable in to the back of this, which is, as you can see, there's a HDMI cord. You can plug into your TV, and then you can use a mouse on your TV to run the system. I've just opted for the mobile system, which is quite easy because I can check up on it anywhere in the world, which is very handy. So the mouse plugs in, which I can just disconnect. You literally have your power sources here. So this one's for the modem, this one is for the actual camera. So I've got a camera inside that I can keep an eye on everybody, and really the only other cord there is this blue internet cable. And there's the barcode that you scan when you download the app that I was talking about before. And once you scan that, put in a few details, you're really actually good to go. So it's quite simple. So I'll give you guys a bit of a look on the phone at how good this system actually is. That's the camera that I've set up outside. As you can see, Coda is there running around. Mary's outside. It's actually a very clear picture. But I can also zoom in. I can do it like the mobile way, just by double fingers. You can see the kids there, here they come. There's all different settings. I can actually listen to the kids outside, what's actually happening. And if I turn my phone this way, I can literally save a picture, and that'll go straight to my photo library on my phone. If there's something I want to record, I just push the record button. This is literally recording now. You can see Mary there and Coda recording straight to my phone. There's also a motion detector, so if there's motion outside at night, it'll send an email to my phone, which is very, very handy. You can hear the kookaburras now. I literally have two monitors, or two cameras I should say, and I can bring both cameras up at the same time. So this is the camera inside. As you can see, I'm standing here talking to you guys now. Coda's trains are here. I'll leave a link for Swann Security, and you guys should check them out. It's absolutely amazing. I'm super happy.
Shark a big kissy and you let it go. Aww. Okay, so it's come to the end of the vlog. Thank you to Swann Security for sponsoring this video and keeping our home and family safe. And until next time, don't forget to
live, love and respect.
Bye guys.
Bye.